Hello everybody, my name is Avery Harris. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking for new ways to make money online, then you've come to the right place. In this video today, we're going to be taking a look at Podbean. Podbean is a way that you can start doing your own podcast. You can also do crowdfunding for your podcast. You can also set up to get ads to get money from advertising. So for this video today, I just want to show you how to sign up, and then I'll make a second video on how you can actually start making money. But let's go ahead and go to try Podbean for free. And right now we're going to go ahead and sign up for a new account. I'm going to go ahead and go to subdomain first and just put in AO85, but I could sign up with Facebook or I could continue with Google+. But I'd rather go ahead and put in my email. You go ahead and click I'm not a robot, and then go ahead and create an account. All right, so it says, explore who's hot in the Podbean community and follow them to stay up to date with the podcast you love. Follow and get started. And over here on the top right, we have publish podcast, and we have my username up here as well. So go ahead and just check out this real quick. You got home, dashboard, my account, sports center, and log out to go to my account. So the subdomain is what I put in, avo85. Email, if it's real at Gmail. I'll put in my first and my last name if I want, but I don't feel like it. Put in my own profile photo, which I might put in later. And have my password, and over there to the right, which shows the same thing, which is episodes, total downloads, customized. You can see that we already have a episode from podbean.com. So as you can see, it's a message which says, welcome to Podbean. With Podbean, you can create professional podcasts in minutes without any programming knowledge. Our user-friendly interface allows you to publish, upload, and manage and promote your podcast with just a few clicks of your mouse. Just point, click, and execute. How easy is that? Learn more at this link. Have a question? Check out this link. Happy podcasting. Thank you. All right, so we can go ahead and upgrade if we want, but let's go back. Let's go to publish a podcast. All right, so please confirm your email address before publishing. So let's go ahead and check out. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my email. All right, so I am at the email they just sent me. It says, welcome to podbean.com. Please click the button below to confirm your email address and activate your account. So we're gonna go ahead and confirm it. Email confirmed. And now I'm gonna go back to publish a podcast. I'm gonna go ahead and, all right, so it says I have 50 megabytes of space left. Upgrade today to get unlimited space and much more features. With this free account, we are very limited in what we can do. As far as a file I can upload, I can only upload a certain, up to I think about 25 or 28 megabytes. But let's double check. I'm going to go ahead and use this MP3 file. And as you can see, it says the file which is uploading. It has the title and it has a description if I want to put anything down. And the episode can be free or it can be premium, which is for your paid subscribers. Down at the bottom, you say cancel or I can publish, and also have more options. Let's see if this says max uploading size file is 28 megabytes. For a free account, you may upgrade your account to upload large files. All right, so let's see if I can find a smaller one. We're gonna go ahead and try this one. And this is just a dummy. Success. Now have my first episode published. I can go ahead to view site. It says the top says avo85.podbean.com. Down low, we got my first episode is now uploaded. So So once again, I know this is a short video, but I didn't want to make this video too long. So I decided to just go ahead and make 2 separate videos. So once again, check out the next video that's going to be talking about how you can actually make money through advertising and crowdfunding campaigning. And it will also go more into what the upgrades look like for using Podbean. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. I will be back very soon. Thanks for watching.